How's it going, guys? Back again. And I got my BMS boards in the mail. These ones came really quick. They must have been in the States already. Maybe somebody trying to flip them and make money off them. Anyways, I got them down in price, so they're reasonable. And so I got enough to do everything. I'm hooking up. I'm going to continue with my Ford Focus batteries right there. That's what I'm hooking up there. And I'm going to get those hooked up, those four, then these will be next. And then I will start these. I'm going to do one BMS board per 2 modules. And that'll leave me with some spares. Got my Rugged Ruckus, solar powered Rugged Ruckus here playing music for me. It's working good. And yeah, so I got one EV type of battery, a second EV type. So this is a Chrysler Pacifica EV battery, Nissan Leaf EV battery, Ford Focus EV battery, Hyundai Sonata hybrid battery. Or that's not, just 9 of those modules. And that is what makes up my off-grid solar system. Only lithium. I have no gel, I have no sealed lead acid anymore, nothing. 8,000 watts still doing good. 4,400 watts still doing good. I'm actually on grid at the moment. We were gone for the weekend and the whole house is off grid, and it was cloudy for a few days actually here. So my batteries went low, so I'm letting them charge up because this bank here is at 62 volts. Everything else is at 58.5 volts. And you know what happens when you hook up different batteries, different voltages together. Sparks happen, BMSs explode, or not explode, but burn out. And I don't want that. So that's what we're doing right now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Got another about 4.8 kilowatts hooked up, or almost hooked up. The only thing we got to do is touch this to there, but right now we can't because we have a 3 volt difference. 62 volts here, 59 volts here. So if I hook that up, it would take it at first, but this BMS would get quite warm because there'd be about 40-50 amps running through it. It's a 30 amp BMS. Don't want to do that. After a while, the BMS, if the voltage didn't equalize, this would blow. So I'm not sure what would happen. Definitely don't want to do it. I'm going to wait till I get within a volt. Then I'm going to hook it up. This is going to be next. And then eventually we'll get to the Chrysler Pacifica battery. This is 16S each. And there's 16 kilowatts between the 6. So do the math. It's 2 point something kilowatts each, I believe. I think it's around 2.8 kilowatts each. 2.8, 2.8. So that's over 5, over 5, over 5. Something around there, might be off by a little bit. Coming along real nice. I got, man, I really got to do a discharge test because I believe this is, let's see, 4.8. So say, let's round to 5. So say 20 kilowatts there. That's overestimating it a little bit. Of all of these batteries, I think I had 20 or 25 kilowatts there, so that's 45, say 40 kilowatts. We're gonna be conservative here. Plus 4 kilowatts here, so 44 kilowatts. Plus 16 kilowatts at 50, 60 kilowatts I'll have hooked up once those are hooked up. Plus this is another almost 5 kilowatts. It's about 64.8 kilowatts once I have all these lithiums hooked up. And I still got quite a few of these batteries to hook up. And I got 4 more here. There's 1 there, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, lots of work to do. I'm gonna hook up these last just because those are the most work per kilowatt out of what I have right now. They're extremely good. They've lasted. These are the ones I started with. These are the ones that I've used the longest, and they've worked great. Hopefully these ones are the same. They work for a long time. This and Leaf battery's been working amazing. I really like it. I wish I could get a Hold'em on Leaf battery. That'd be nice. They're real easy to hook up because they're such large module packs. Like that's 4 kilowatts and that's 16S by itself. 4 kilowatts, around 2.8 kilowatts. That's my next biggest. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. So I just connected the BMS. We got 30 amps coming out of the BMS because we got a 2.7 volt difference between this pack and the rest of the battery bank. So we're charging the battery bank through solar, and we're discharging this battery into the rest of the bank. So this battery will go dead fairly quick. Just checking my BMS board. It's not warm. Connections aren't warm, so it looks like it can handle 30 amps, so that's good. No connections are warm. Everything seems good. Everything seems good. And you can see we're dropping in amperage because this battery is pumping into the rest of the bank and they're equalizing. Like since I hooked it up, this has gone up 0.2 of a volt. That's also because of the solar's charging it as well, but that's going to continue to go up and this will go down. Yep, BMS board's not even getting warm. Actually, it is warmer than this one. So this one is probably room temperature. This one is probably slightly warm. It's actually still colder than my body temperature though, but this one's quite a bit colder than my body temperature. 26 amps and falling. So it's working. Sweet. Now I want to see if I hook up the charge side. Right now just the pull side is hooked up. So if I hook up the charge side, will the power flow backwards into the charge side and increase my amperage, because then this will be twice as many strands of wire. So we're about to hook it up here. We're about to find out right now. Wow, it went down. Oh yeah, that makes sense though. It went down because half the current is, or part of the current is flowing through this wire, which I don't want because that is the charge circuit. That is very interesting. I know that when this cuts off, it cuts off both of these, so that's good. Anyways, it seems to be working alright. Got my other batteries hooked up. We'll be up, looks like before tonight we'll be at 60 volts, which is approximately my half charge mark. It might be actually more like 40%. You have not made much power today, man. What is that? 8.5, 9, under 9.5 kilowatts today. Pretty bad. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.